Mommy, walk.
Okay.
I gotta go see that.
Did we bring?
Then, and I go to see.
Okay, swim. Swim on your back.
Oh. Did you take it?
Yeah, I'm getting it. I'm getting you all your swimming. Now, turn in circles.
What's this?
Uh-huh.
Then, what's off my back again, Mommy?
Now go underwater.
I can't go in the water.
Jeremiah can blow bubbles in water. Blow bubbles.
Let me just stand up.
Daddy can hold you.
They can hold me. Hold me on my back.
He just needs to touch you, like, you do there. Good job.
He's doing it.
Are you doing it, Jacob?
Look, I'm saying.
Let me see, Jeremiah. Show me again.
I just have a little blowhole blowing out in my hand.
You float on your back, Jeremiah?
I blow it out my hand. I blow the bubbles out my hand.
You put your ears in the water, Jeremiah.
I just flashed it. It just sneaks through my ears. And it comes out, and goes deep